Hello, awesome people! This dialogue I created is about two friends that meet in New York. One of them lives there, the other one just came to visit the city, and they're having a conversation on the phone to organize their time together. Are you ready? Let's first see the full dialogue so you get an idea of it, and I'm also explaining the difficult words. Hello, Alex speaking. Starting with your name speaking is a polite and professional way to identify yourself, so the caller knows they've reached the right person. Hey Alex, how's it going? It's John. I just landed in New York City. John, good to hear you, man. Welcome to the Big Apple. This nickname has a very interesting origin. It gained popularity back in the 20s, when many jazz musicians started calling New York City the Big Apple, meaning very desirable, because it was considered the most wanted destination for their performances. I'm glad you made it. Yeah, me too. Listen, I'm starving, and I've been dying to try some authentic American food. So where should we go for lunch? Well, you gotta try a classic New York style pizza. Where's your hotel? I'm in Brooklyn, in Bedford Avenue. Cool, there's this awesome place called Joe's Pizza just nearby. You'll love it. Pizza sounds fantastic. Oh, listen, what about sightseeing? Any must-visit places around here? Definitely. Central Park is a must. It's beautiful this time of year. Oh, that sounds exciting. I've also heard about the Statue of Liberty. Is it worth a visit? Absolutely. How about we plan a visit together? We can take a ferry to Liberty Island and enjoy the stunning view of the city from there. Oh, perfect. Let's do that. By the way, what's the best way to get around the city? Subway is the way to go. It's fast and convenient. Just grab a metro card and you're all set. You're all set is a very common expression meaning you have everything you need. You don't need anything else. Thanks for the tips, man. I can't wait to explore New York City and try that pizza together. You got it, John. You got it is another way to say you're welcome. It keeps the conversation friendly and casual, and it means happy to provide help. I'll see you at Joe's Pizza in, say, half an hour? Sure. Where is it exactly? It's on the corner of 3rd Street and 6th Avenue. Just ask the cabbie to bring you there. Finally, cabbie is a colloquial term to refer to taxi drivers. Cabbie is in fact another word for taxi. So many new words today. Got it. See you in half an hour. Cheers, man. Alright, let's begin. You play John. Hello, Alex speaking. John, good to hear you, man. Welcome to the Big Apple. I'm glad you made it. Well, you gotta try a classic New York style pizza. Where's your hotel? Cool, there's this awesome place called Joe's Pizza just nearby. You'll love it. Definitely. Central Park is a must. It's beautiful this time of year. Absolutely. How about we plan a visit together? We can take a ferry to Liberty Island and enjoy the stunning view of the city from there. Subway is the way to go. It's fast and convenient. Just grab a metro card and you're all set. You got it, John. I'll see you at Joe's Pizza in, say, half an hour. It's on the corner of 3rd Street and 6th Avenue. Just ask the cabbie to bring you there. So, what do you think about this new format? Do you like it? If you see improvement, if you see that you are having fun and learning at the same time, just press the like button down here. It's a small thing for you, but a very big thing for me. If you did it, thank you very much. Alright, back to us. Let's switch. This time you play Alex. Hey Alex, how's it going? It's John. I just landed in New York City. Yeah, me too. Listen, I'm starving and I've been dying to try some authentic American food. So where should we go for lunch? I'm in Brooklyn, in Bedford Avenue. Pizza sounds fantastic. Listen, what about sightseeing? Any must visit places around here? Oh, that sounds exciting. I've also heard about the Statue of Liberty. Is it worth a visit? Oh, perfect. Let's do that. By the way, what's the best way to get around the city? Thanks for the tips, man. I can't wait to explore New York City and try that pizza together. Sure. Where is it exactly? Got it. See you in half an hour. Cheers, man. Great, so I really hope you had fun speaking with me and I hope you learned one or two things as well. Now, even after learning this powerful dialogue, you then need to have the courage to go out there and practice with real people. So if you think you understand English but have some trouble with speaking, I recommend you watching this other video right here, where in just 8 minutes and 34 seconds, I'm diving deeper to understand why you can't speak English and how to fix this very common issue. So I'll meet you there. Cheers!